If you're in your late 40s to early 60s, you might feel unprepared financially. You followed all the right steps throughout your life. Many Gen Xers wonder why they feel behind, despite doing everything correctly. Gen X is possibly the most financially pressured generation today. Many are supporting their adult children financially. They are also taking care of aging parents. They face climbing housing costs, healthcare bills, and inflation. Many lack the traditional pensions that earlier generations had. What do you do when your wages can't match living expenses? What happens when market downturns repeatedly affect your savings? This leads to what countless Gen Xers are currently experiencing. Many Gen X adults worry about being ready for retirement. Even after years of work, many doubt they will retire comfortably. It's important to note that many Gen Xers aren't actually broke. They often just don't feel secure in their finances. Some own homes. Many also have retirement savings. Yet they feel just one emergency away from financial insecurity. This situation generates significant stress. It fosters anxiety about the future. Numerous people often achieve their best financial results in their 50s and 60s. Some choose to start new businesses. Others begin entirely new career paths. Some finally take charge of their finances after years of just getting by. However, this doesn't signal the end of the road. This indicates a need to change financial strategies. Do you feel ready for retirement financially? Or do you feel you're working harder but still falling short? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you're over 50, subscribe to Smart Money Moves for practical advice on building wealth and prepping for retirement. The best financial chapter of your life could still be ahead. As you navigate this challenging financial landscape, it's crucial to consider your options carefully. Balancing support for your children while ensuring your own financial stability is no easy task. Many Gen Xers feel pulled in multiple directions, juggling responsibilities that seem to multiply each year. It's essential to reevaluate not just your finances, but also your approach to growth and security. Recognizing that you have the power to influence your future can dramatically shift your perspective. You might explore ways to save more effectively or invest wisely, aiming for more than just making ends meet. As you contemplate these adjustments, remember that your experience can serve as a valuable asset. Your background equips you with unique insights that can guide you in making informed financial decisions. Engaging in conversations with peers or seeking mentorship from those who have navigated similar paths can provide fresh perspectives. By embracing a proactive mindset, you can potentially unearth opportunities that weren't previously on your radar. Perhaps attending workshops or financial seminars could expand your knowledge and networking circle, paving the way for innovative ideas and strategies. Financial stability shouldn't just be a distant goal. It can be an achievable reality with dedication and perseverance. The journey toward a secure retirement may require patience and resilience, but it's well within reach. Assessing your current investments and considering alternative income sources may also help strengthen your financial foundation. Ultimately, it's about aligning your financial practices with your life goals, ensuring that you're not just preparing for retirement, but enhancing your overall well-being along the way. Finding balance between aspirations and realistic planning will empower you to not only face your future with confidence, but also thrive in the present. The choice to reshape your financial narrative is entirely yours, and the steps you take today could lead to a more fulfilling tomorrow. It's never too late to rethink your financial strategies, and taking action now can set the stage for greater security in the coming years. Begin by assessing your expenses and understanding where adjustments can be made. Analyzing your financial habits can reveal patterns that may be holding you back, and implementing small changes can lead to significant improvements. Seek professional guidance if needed, as experts can provide tailored advice and investment options that suit your situation. Embrace this journey as a chance to take control of your financial destiny. As you approach the next stage in your financial journey, remember that the best chapter is still unfolding. Embracing the lessons learned can empower you to not only face retirement with confidence, but to also live fully in each moment leading up to it.